Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to remove shortcut arrow from desktop icon in Windows 11. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all open a search box and type a registry editor. Open a registry editor. Sorry, open a registry editor. Right click run as administrator. After opening that, select a HKey local machine and expand it. After doing this stat, select a software and expand it. After doing this stat, find out a Microsoft and expand it. After doing this test, go down and find out a Windows. Select a Windows and expand it. After doing this test, select a current version and expand it. Find out a Explorer. Right click, new, and add a new key. First of all, select and expand it. After a right click, new key, and set a name is shell icons. Select it, and after doing the stat, right click, new, and set a string value, and set a name is 29. Open it. And set a value data is percentage bin dir percentage backslash system32 backslash shell32 dot dll comma minus 50 and press OK button. After doing this stat, close the registry editor. And restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your remove desktop arrows from desktop icons. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.